Among various tools, the tomahawks hold the pride of being the most used heavy-duty blade in the tactical field. From military personnel to hunters, campers, even hikers, everyone uses this exceptional weapon/tool at some point of their life. Some people use it on the battlefield for combat and self-defense, others use it for enhanced functionality, blade capabilities, and overall design. Besides, they also look cool. Therefore, in today's video, we have talked about the 7 best tactical tomahawks in 2021 just for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Tomahawks have been the centerpiece of utility in the tactical gear industry for an extended period of time. They are famous for their excellent build, sharpness, and other essential features that you'll surely understand after using the KANGEE T-Hawk SK5 from CRKT. Ryan Johnson is a tomahawk designer who has vast experience in tomahawk design for more than 30 years. However, Tomahawk KANGEE's most noticeable feature is its blade. It makes your chopping and piercing task a breeze because of its 2.93 inches long SK5 carbon steel blade head. Virtually, it is equivalent to thousands of steels with superior edge-holding properties. Besides, its powder coating makes it corrosion resistant and helps you use this blade for a prolonged time. On top of that, its glass-filled nylon handle makes it a robust and durable tool in your hand, whether you use one hand or both of them for operation. This handle covers this full-tank blade and allows you to have a comfortable grip. Overall, the CRKT KANGEE T-Hawk is packed with lots of fantastic features and can easily deal with any tactical work. You can use it for self-defense, combat, or for cutting down anything you want. It's not gonna disappoint you. Gerber is widely famous for producing top-notch tactical stuffs. All of his products never fail to impress its consumers, and to fill your tactical needs, the Downrange Tomahawk from Gerber is something that will never disappoint you as well. Its X-head is constructed of 420 high carbon steel with a circuit coating, boasting optimum stiffness and durability, making it ideal for use in almost any weather. The most remarkable feature of this Tomahawk is its three-purpose X-head. You can use its head's beveled edge for chopping. Likewise, you can use its hammerhead for busting hinges, locks, etc. And its cutaway grip helps you with prying jobs. Besides, this Downrange Tomahawk contains an ergonomically designed handle with a G10 scale. On the handle's bottom portion, it features a jimping on both the front and back sides. And finally, it comes with a mold-compatible sheath incorporating the molded pry bar, making it convenient for carrying. In summary, this Gerber Tomahawk is a highly versatile breaching tool that can assist you no matter what your tactical purpose is. You'll find literally no barrier to accomplishing your job with this Tomahawk. Tomahawks have been dreaded weaponry on battlegrounds for centuries. Apart from Native Americans, people all around the world use them as a devastating tool, and the SOG Tactical Tomahawk is not an exception. It features a modernized incarnation of an age-old design with 2.75 inches long 420 stainless steel head. This blade head has a hard case coating, and both its steel material and matte black coating will help this utility tool last for a long time. Its head is mounted to its fiberglass reinforced nylon handle. It can absorb shock and becomes appropriate for prying tasks. Besides, it comes with a steel ferrule and heavy-duty bolts to protect the handle. This Tomahawk's head features a spike that comes in handy while using it as a weapon, a glass breaker, and other tasks. In a sense, after considering its features, the SOG Tactical Tomahawk will be an excellent option if you're looking for a tactical tomahawk that has a full tank construction and provides an amazing value compared to its price. It'll be challenging to find any tactical gear lover who has never heard or seen any tactical tool featuring this Spyderco trademark. This brand tends to invest a lot in research and development, and the Warrior Hawk from Spyderco has prominent features to meet your tactical needs and requirements. This X head is crafted from rugged D2 steel, which will ensure optimum strength and longevity. This 5.85-inch long X head is appropriate for splitting tree limbs or other related chores pretty quickly. Besides, it contains a titanium carbon nitride coating that eliminates any reflection and resists corrosion. Its geometry offers maximum penetration power and excellent edge retention. This head's opposite side contains an internal spike, enabling you to puncture tires and fuel tanks. Its 3D machine G10 scales provide a fantastic grip with the pry tip located at the handle's base. Besides, it comes with a bolt-around sheath and a pouch, which makes it easy to carry. Overall, the Spyderco Warrior Hawk will be an excellent tomahawk designed to provide extreme performance in various tactical operations, including combat, self-defense, breaching, utilitarian cutting, and more. Winkler Nice Combat X is the epitome of excellence when it comes to tactical multi-purpose tomahawks. Winkler has meticulously created this tactical tomahawk to aid military personnel, law enforcement people, and almost everybody to use it for tactical purposes. This combat tomahawk features an 80 CRV2 steel blade, known for its extreme toughness and fantastic edge retention. Unlike other ordinary tomahawks, its full-length skeletonized tang lessens its overall weight. Furthermore, Winkler uses a black oxide no-glare finish, improving the blade's surface appearance and corrosion resistance. Apart from that, you will also get a convenient glass breaker that extends beyond its handle scales and a kydex carrier with webbing hangers, making it amazingly suitable for carrying. Besides, you can use this integrated glass breaker as a rescue feature. In conclusion, the Winkler Nice Combat X features superior craftsmanship from its blade material to its handle design, and undoubtedly, it is gonna be an exceptional tactical tomahawk to add to your arsenal. Widely known as a Viking-inspired hand X, the top-sliced Vi-X is more than just an X. Its X-blade is constructed of solid 1075 steel, which has better impact resistance and edge retention than other conventional options available in the market. Moreover, this blade length is around 5.25 inches, making it capable of heavy-duty chopping. when you use it to strike. It ensures maximum damage because of its notable double-edged spike. This long axe head also comes with a long black linen handle, offering comfortable grip. Both the handle and blade provide you with easy cutting efficiency. Last but not the least, it contains a leather sheath with loops so that you can carry this tomahawk securely and conveniently with you. In summary, with a full tang blade, the top snide's Vine-X can chop well, hit hard, and penetrate through any stiff material at any time. So if you search for the best quality tactical tomahawk, it can be a suitable option for you. We have kept this Cold Steel Trench Hawk first on our list due to its striking features. Cold Steel's propensity to make high-quality tactical weapons is present here. This Trench Hawk contains a drop-forced 1055 carbon steel blade as its X-Height, which is highly resistant to shock and impact. It measures 3.5 inches long and can prevent tremendous blows and a lot of awful stress. Again, it comes with an ergonomically designed polypropylene handle that offers a solid grip. Also, this Trench Tomahawk features a secure X-sheath which protects the blade itself and you from the sharp cutting edge of the blade. This Cold Steel Trench Hawk boasts all the essential features, including shock and impact resistance, support for waist carry, and rugged housing structure, which will ultimately allow you to accomplish all of your chopping and splitting tasks conveniently. So that was all about the 7 best tactical tomahawks in 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.